Here's a lift tour at Ambassador City Jomtien, Pattaya. The lifts here have been made since 1987, which is 30 years ago, and these used to be some express lifts. But when I went here, they modernized these lifts. Now they're Mitubishi Generation 3s, which go 3 meters a second. We just don't understand why, because it's just, I don't know why, it's just so oppressive if they're just going to keep the old lift in. I don't know why they have to do modernization or something like that. It's just, I'm just surprised and shocked. And just, why the hell are you to do that? It's just, just why? Just why? Seriously. So there's a set of 8 main lifts, and there are 2 glass lifts in the front, which all of these are being modernized. And they, on the glass lifts, they actually block the glass. I don't know, they made them the high-rise lifts. I don't know why. They just... They ruined everything. These used to be some nice 1987 express lifts, and now they're Mitubishi. And the old lifts were one of the tallest lifts I actually know is that was 30 years old. They ruined it. Seriously, just why? Why? They were amazing. This is the 40th floor. Go back to the lobby. Why? Just why? Like Mitsubishi just said. And the glass lifts now, they just boarded up the glass. Now they're not glass, they're just normal, but they're still by the glass lift shop. They literally ruined everything, the old lift. And at first I thought it was a twin lift because I thought Mitsubishi didn't have a twin lift. At first I thought it was a twin lift. But I mean, like, this is faster because it's like 3 meters a second. Something. But it's nothing compared to the old lifts. They're more interesting. Literally, why? Just why? Because on the lobby, let's see. Because on the lobby, right here actually has the old controller. Now, still being very kind of not in the mood, which next to the modernized lifts, which are the Mitubishi glass. And the glass, they just boarded up the glass stuff at the backside of the lift. Now it's not glass, and it just took the backside of the lift out. Now it's just a box standard glass, but it used to be like an octagon shaped at the back, and now it's just a box standard square shaped. But in the video, I managed to find a hole on the floor. No, actually not on the wall. Actually on the wall. Then we can still see the original view, which I missed that view. That was just a view from like 7 years ago when I went here, and I don't have really anything to say about these. I'm just so sad that they modernized these. I just wanted to talk to the manager, just say, just modernize these back, get the glass back. Here's the glass lift. No, not glass. No, wait, let's go down. Let's go down. No, they're not glass. Like, this used to be a glass. This used to be glass. Just why? This used to be glass in 40. Well, I went 42 a lot. Okay, they ruined it. Like, just why? You can still see, like, there's light coming out If you could just see outside. There, that's a little bit footage of what it used to look like. There's the counterweight. We're very high up. I just missed this picture from like 7 years ago. Oh yes. They ruined it. This is the floor, that's the view. It's just a photo floor. Literally ruined it. Just to appreciate, I'm just gonna take. We're just gonna look outside the window again. That's just to appreciate the old view. This is literally on the floor. A little cab. I'm trying to let it focus. It's not focusing because there's a lot of blur. I mean that goes the counterweight. You see that's the chain going 3 meters a second. I'm just gonna remind of the old lifts. The old lifts. R.I.P. 1987 Express. Now those lifts were at the tower wing. So now we go to the ocean wing. The ocean wing has some not original but still interesting lifts. And these are all glass lifts. There are 8 glass lifts here, 4 on each side. The 4 of them on one side are on set because, and all the 8 together, they're not one set. They're 2 sets of 4 on each side. And from floors 4 up to 17th floor, you can clearly see by the buttons because one side has like a Thaiman button or something, and on the other side has a Cone M series. Now first to the side that has the Thaiman buttons. There's the glass lift. It's a Thaiman, Cone Thaiman. Okay. It's very nice. I just get the shadow. Very nice glass lift. Now, Cone took over Thaiman in 2005. I think this is actually built by Cone. The top floor looks so luxury. Yep, okay, so speedy indicator means it's a cone logic. Since it's a cone logic, so this is 100% installed by Cone. It's a 8 lifts. It's just like this indicator. Just look at it. It's just amazing. Yep, Amazon series button. That's weird. Also, it's side to side. Like this side. one's going up. This one's on the underside. I don't know, they have like one side and it moves that. This side has this big stuff going on there. I don't know how to call it. Still time, man. That has a fast indicator. See, it's being installed by Cone because Cone took overtime, man, in 2005. This one has the M series buttons. Yeah, so I'll just write these ones down. But yeah, I'm just gonna finish the film right here.